How to free up storage on your iPhone without losing your app data? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable offload unused apps on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap App Store. Now, scroll down until you find Offload Unused Apps. Simply turn the toggle on. Once enabled, your iPhone will automatically remove apps that you don't use very often while keeping their documents and data saved on your device. This helps free up storage space without permanently deleting your information. If you want to use an offloaded app again later, simply tap the app icon on your home screen and your iPhone will reinstall it automatically as long as you're connected to the internet. You can also offload individual apps manually by going to Settings, then tapping on General and tap iPhone Storage, selecting any app you want and tapping Offload App. And that's how to offload unused apps on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and storage saving guides.